This video is for you if you want to have a baby with fertility problems or if you don't ovulate regularly. Look, the easiest, the fastest way to get pregnant is coinciding the baby dance with the ovulation date. The chance of getting pregnancy increases multifold if you plan to have baby dance 6 hours before the ovulation. What does it mean to you? Knowing your exact ovulation date is the key to your pregnancy success. But most of the women believe that getting pregnancy is very difficult with problems like PCOS, fibroids, blocked fallopian tubes, and ovulatory problems. These women most likely to go for advanced fertility treatments, assuming that it is not possible to conceive naturally. But remember this, it is always best to try naturally before thinking of advanced treatments. Here is the truth. It is very easy to get pregnancy if you know the exact date of your ovulation. But the big question is how to find out the exact date of your ovulation. Here you need a device that helps you figure out your ovulation date accurately. It is in this context I suggest the OvaQ fertility monitor. It will show you when you ovulate during your cycle and its accuracy is proven to be 98%. It is awesome, simple to use and easy to maintain. If you are using an ovulation calendar or fertility apps or oral temperatures or manual methods to predict when you ovulate and still not yet pregnant means these devices are not showing accurately. If you continuously do so, you are wasting your time and also risking your fertility. The bottom line, the key to pregnancy success is prediction of accurate ovulation date. Want to conceive in this month? If you have fertility issues and want to pinpoint your ovulation, I recommend this product to you. Click the link given in the description for more details.